Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of The Bucket Vlog. So, I thought to myself, I want to start my channel, but I want to start off with something simple. Something that's like not too crazy, but is still kind of an achievement if you can actually complete it. So I decided I want to solve this.
Wow!
And I know, great, this channel is off to a juicy and inspiring start. Something this complicated? And you know what they say, the sequels are always worse. So this channel is off to a juicy start. But to be dead serious, I actually do want to solve one of these. Well, in my defense though, this thing called a Rubik's Cube is the most sold toy ever to be made. So technically, statistically, that makes me normal. That makes me normal.
Are you serious?
Anyways, so I decided to get one of these at my local Chinese shop for like 10 rand, which is like less than $1. So this is some good quality, just like my channel. So let's pop this open. I'm gonna get real close. That's satisfying. Just pop this open. Just like that. Do you smell that fresh Rubik's? And here it is. Beautiful, shiny, just smells like a rat's anus. When you shake it, it makes like a little bit like a bowel sound. So I guess I shall just start solving this. Let's first shake it up a little bit. And there we go. All nicely shuffled and ready to be solved. And I'm also putting my laptop right here so you can see the beautiful time for how long my duration will be while solving this. So without further ado, let's start this exciting episode. You know what? Screw this piece of crap. I didn't solve anything, I basically solved a side, and when I tried to do another side, it didn't work out at all. So I'm tired of this piece of crap. It's 20 minutes already, and I haven't done squat. So you know what? Screw this. This made me feel stupid, and I think it's time for a little bit of
One axe, some kind of magazine you never read, some flammable liquids, the thing you want to torture, a container to do it in, some sparkles, some blood-stained toilet paper, tea bag, and lastly, some matches, cause that shit's gonna be fire.
God, let's see that in slow motion.
And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching. It made me feel so good. I feel better now. So there you go. There's the action. It's still going on there. There's the scene. So make sure you take this advice, and if you have any problems, set them on fire. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Leave any comments if you have anything that you'd want me to do. And give a like on this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.